Hey guys, welcome back to Heiko Prints. Just wanted to let you guys know I haven't forgotten about you. I haven't forgotten about my brand new channel. Here in front of you see a Sovol box with a 5-inch touchscreen, which is a Klipper upgrade for the SV06, also available for the SV06 Plus. In my first video I showed you my pretty heavily modified SV06 that is already running Klipper on a single board computer called the Innovado Quadra. Works really well, but the downside of this whole thing is you have to figure out the modification yourself. You have to source the single board computer. You have to install Klipper yourself. You have to work your way through using Linux or some similar operation system, installing Klipper on it, and then configuring your SV06, which is relatively easy because most of the legwork was already done by other developers like the guy Basamanator on GitHub, who makes it really easy to get this all going. But then, you know, you just keep fiddling with it and modifying it and changing things in the configuration. With this upgrade coming from Sovol, they have already done all the work, have finished all the configuration for the machine. So this should be relatively plug and play. This hooks up right to the power supply and the controller in your SV06 or SV06 Plus. And it should work right out of the box and turn your standard SV06 that is running a Marlin based firmware into a Klipper machine. Let's open it up real quick. Dog hair on it, sorry about that. In the box, what do we have in the box? User manual. I will work through this user manual so you don't have to, and then we can you know, install this together. Here is the screen itself, lots of ports, couple little scratches. That's not really good right out of the box, not happy about that. This is supposedly mounting right up to the machine without any kind of modifications. Here's a bracket that replaces the bracket that currently holds the stock screen. And then, what do we have in here? Let's get that out. Oh, this is all the hardware. So here's mounting hardware for this bracket. And then lots of wiring, I'm assuming. Yeah, that's some sort of connector. This looks like the power cord for the screen itself. This looks like an accelerometer. We'll see. This looks kind of strange. This is a power cord and an accelerometer in a box together. So, good question. And a USB cable. So yeah, supposedly all the legwork has been done. All the Klipper configuration for the SV06 has been done. It gets hooked up to your stock power supply and your stock controller. There's no messing around with configuration files, messing around with Linux and installing Klipper in the first place and getting that all working. So this is the out-of-the-box solution. If you have a SV06 already or an SV06 Plus and you want to get on the Klipper bandwagon, this is the easy solution. I'm not saying this is working any better than the single board computer route, but it's probably less involved. So you can just mount this and call it a day. So I guess we will do this together, this install together. I will document this as well as I can, so then you can follow along and do this modification yourself. Once you have done this, then your SV06 or SV06 Plus is pretty much equal to an SV07 or SV07 Plus. I would say the SV06 has the better motion system with linear rods all around and doesn't use any wheels on aluminum profiles like the SV06 does, the SV07 does. So I would say SV06 with a Klipper screen is equal, if not even better in certain ways than an SV07. So yeah, and Sovol, I guess they realized that the SV06 is the most popular printer in their lineup at the moment. All right, let's see when we can get this going, and I will take you along. Thanks for watching. Bye.